Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss another question of codezinger, that is smallest window that contains all the characters of the string itself. So the question says, given a string S, find the smallest window, means we have to find its length with all distinct characters of the string. Suppose now here the string input is A, B, B, C, C. Then here we should get output 4. So how we will get output 4? I will show you. Means here this is the string which contains all the characters minimum. This is the length of the minimum string which contains all the characters that are present in this string. So first I will explain you the approach, then I will show you the code. Okay. So let us begin. So this is the question I have created here. This is the question given a string as given a string is find the smallest window length with all the distinct characters of the given string. So this is the string. So here our answer is 4 as A, B, B, C, this string. This is the length of the string which contains all the characters of the given string. So I will explain you the approach. Now here our string is, now here our string is A, 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 B, B, C, C. So see here, for we have to find a smallest string, right, which contains all the characters of the string. So first we need to find how many characters, distinct characters are in this string and what are they. So for that we will first make a set, and in that set we will store all these characters of that string. So as we know that set stores only the single value of that string, set will contain here A, B and C. Now again, then what we will do, we will iterate over this string again, and then we will we will first create a empty array. The array will not be empty, but okay, we will first create a array whose size will be 256. Why the size will be 256, I will explain you. And each element in this 256 size will be 0, 0. Means all the elements will be 0 in this array. All the 256 elements in this array will be 0. Fine. Now again then we will iterate over this loop. Whenever we get an element here, what we will do is, we will take its ASCII value. And the means at the index of this, in this array, at the index of this ASCII value, we will increment the 0 by 1. So suppose in this string first here we are getting this A. So at the eighth ASCII value of A in this string, at its index, ASCII value index, we will increment its value 0 to 1. Now it became here 1. Now again we will go ahead, and now we are getting again A. Then again we this A will be incremented, and then it will become 2. Suppose now this ASCII value of A is 65. So at the 65th index, the value will become 2 here. Now here B ASCII value is 66. So here A, it will become 1. Again the B is occurred. Then it will become 2. Then for C it will become 1. Again the C is occurred. Then C will again change to 2. Now after this what we will do is, whenever we are getting single element, single unique element, then we will create first we will create a counter. And then when we are getting a unique element, we will increment the count. Okay. We will increment the count. And if our count is equal to the our size of the set, as we are incrementing the count whenever we are getting the unique element. So at last means total unique elements should be of the size of the set, should be of the size of our set, right? So when this it is the size of our set, then what we will do is we will create a pointer. Suppose the name of our pointer is start, so we will create a pointer, and with the pointer our point here. Now here our pointer will go here and it will check in this array what is the value of this a. If the value of this a is greater than 1, then what we will do is this 1a will get reduced, means we are now our complete sliding window is this, right? So now here as the value of a is greater than 1, means already we have encountered 2a which is not needed. So 1a we will delete from the this array, and here again the a's value will become 1 and our pointer will get incremented, and again here will become. Now again our pointer will check whether the value of a is equal to is greater than 1. No, it is not greater than 1. So here we have got the string which contains all the characters of the given string. Substring, we have got the substring, we have got the substring which contains all the characters of the given string, right? So here then how we will now calculate the length of the string? The length of the string is, now suppose my, after iterating over the for loop over the array, my j is here, and after the increment of the start, my start is here, right? Then the length of my substring will be j minus start plus 1. So in this way we will get the substring. Now I will explain you the code. So as we can see here, first we have created a set in which we are storing all the unique elements. Then we are iterating over the for loop and then storing the elements in the set. Now here in distinct count we have required the size of the set, right? And then here again we have created a start index, minimum length, and the counter. And then now here we have creating an array named visited which contains this array. It is this array which contains 256 elements. Why 256? Because the ASCII value, maximum ASCII value of the number is 256. So 256, and each element b will become 0. Now here for let j is equal to 0, j is less than a dot length and j will get incremented, means again we are iterating over this string. After iterating over iteration over this string, again we are checking. Again we are checking the what we are doing in this array. See here we are incrementing the value of the element in the visited array, in this array which is 0 of the 0. At what index? At the ASCII value of this index. We are incrementing its value. Okay, so 0 first it will become 1. Then here in this way we are incrementing. So in this way 1, 2, 2. For this we have written this. Now we are checking if visited means if this value is 1. If this value is 1, that means we have encountered a unique element, right? So if its value is 1, it will we are incrementing the counter. So now here by incrementing the counter, we will get number of distinct elements, unique elements in the string. Now again here we are checking if counter is equal to distinct count, that is the size of the set. If it is equal to, then inside that we will check the visited, means the index. If this value, this at this index, the ASCII value of this particular element, and suppose now here a, we have got this a. So at this ASCII value, if this value is greater than 1, then if it is greater than 1, then it will decrement the value. See here it is decrementing the value. And also now our pointer is moving forward as we are reducing the length of our window. First our window was ranging from this. From here till here our window was ranging. Now we have reduced the length of the window. Now only this much is our window. This. A, B, B, C. After this, it will again check if the value of this A is greater than 1. No. Then it will come out of this while loop, and then our current length will get updated. It will check if the current length is less than minimum length. If it is so, then minimum length will get updated to the current length, and our start will also get updated to start index. And here we are returning the minimum length. So in this way, we have performed this code. Hope you all understood this code. If you liked our explanation, please do like and share our video. And if you do have any queries, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.